I am using a character from MCPrep. This is Steve. When you import a character from MCPrep, it has an outer layer which needs to be removed. Go into wireframe mode, select the character, hit X to delete the layer. Select your character, then go to the Materials tab, scroll down and reload materials and select backface culling. Make sure blend and shadow mode is selected as alpha hash. If you want to change the skin of your character, select base color and change it to image texture. Click the open button and choose the skin you want to apply to your character. Change linear to closest so that your character is not blurry. Bring up shader editor. Because we changed skins, there's 2 skins applied to the character. Select the one you don't need and hit X to delete. Here we need to join alpha to alpha. I like to shade smooth my characters. Now we are ready to export. Select File, then Export, then FBX file. Give your file a name, any name. In the path mode, select Copy and tick the box on the right. Now you can export FBX. Bring up Mixamo, select Upload Character, choose your character and upload it. The uploading might take a while depending on your internet speed. Once complete, you will see your character on screen. Choose the animation you want and then you can download it. You can download with or without skin, also change the frames per second. Once you've downloaded the ones you want, you can head back to Blender. Select your character and X to delete twice. Now you can import the animation you downloaded from Mixamo. You'll notice keyframes already there for the animation. We are nearly done, just need to make a few changes to make the appearance better. You'll notice the character has no face. You'll need to re-enable backface culling. Go into the Materials tab, enable backface culling, change the blend mode to alpha hashed and the shadow mode also to alpha hashed. This is required so your character isn't transparent. You can see the face is blurry. We need to go into shader editor and change the render to closest. There you go. That's how to get your character animated easily using Mixamo. If you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and leave a comment and subscribe for more.